So yesterday we made it into Orange County and just had more of a chill day, and then today me and my boyfriend went for a run. I just showered. I'm gonna do some hair care, skincare, and makeup, and then we're gonna have a little shopping day. So I'm gonna start off with Youth People moisturizer and a little bit of Everyday Humans sunscreen. And then for my hair, I'm going to use this Old Money leave-in conditioner and then some Moroccan oil. Okay, then next I'm going to go ahead and do my makeup. Alright, here is the finished makeup look, and then for my hair, I just put some products in it, and I'm going to put this little flower clip in while it dries, and hopefully when I put it down, it will be nice and wavy. I just got these little clips from Amazon, and they are the cutest things for summer. Oh, and I also just wanted to sort of preface this video in saying we're here in California to visit my boyfriend's family. We do this sort of every year. I've been coming with them for a few years now, so I won't be recording them or anything specifically with them really. I'll show like little clips of where we are maybe, but yeah, I just want to take you guys along with me for some of the fun stuff we do. And I also wanted to go ahead and show the accessories I paired with this. I have these gold earrings from Amazon. I think the brand is Pavoy. They've lasted a really long time. And then this little beachy necklace. And then, oh, I forgot to show my nails. I did a little TikTok showing them, but I got like, I feel like these are really on trend right now. It's like these pearlescent type nails. But yeah, they just did like a pink base and then white chrome on top, I believe, to give it to this sort of iridescent effect. But a midday Celsius, and we're going to the Black Mall. Alright, we just got back a few minutes ago. I got a few things and I'll show you guys real quick. First off, I just got some white linen shorts from O'Neill. Look super comfy and cute and good for the beach. And then next, for the 4th of July, I got this little red dress from O'Neill's. And then from Aeropostale, I just got this little xoxo, super comfy, and it'll go good under the red dress. And next from Nordstrom, I just got these Dulce Vita sandals, and then I got this blue headband I'm gonna wear with the red dress. And lastly, just got this little crochet pullover, sweater or cardigan from Nordstrom. So yeah, that was our little shopping spree. Hey, good morning. It is the next day. Me and Jagan just went for another run. We did yesterday and today we did about 3 miles. Walked like 2 and then ran 1. But today, later, we're going to Huntington Beach and getting one of those fire pits and just roasting some hot dogs and s'mores, so I'm excited for that. But for now, I'm just gonna do my makeup and chill out till then. I already put on this little SPF. I've been putting this on every day before my run, and then after I shower, I'll do it again. But we also have a sun bum that I'll put on later. And then I'm just going to do a little bit of these glow drops and the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Water Cream. Alright, actually I changed my mind. I'm gonna do my makeup later whenever it's like closer to the time we're going to the beach, so it's fresh and I can get some cute pics. But I just did a sunscreen and then the Glow Recipe Watermelon Hue Drops. and this is the difference that you can see it makes. It definitely looks more glowy and tan. I've been loving this whole trip and just for the summer in general, and I will check back in later. We're at Huntington Beach. It is Thursday, July 4th.
Boom, protein shake.
Happy July 4th. And I got an acai bowl. You got a cocoa pie?
Yeah, cocoa pie, protein shake.
And now we're just headed to the beach so this dude can do some surfing.
I'm gonna fall on my face like 12 times and then leave.
No, it's okay. Did you do that on purpose?
No, I just got shivered.
You got shivered?
Yes.
Wait, the lighter, like, do I need the other lighter? Happy 4th of July! I know you too well.
We're stuck in traffic to get to the beach once again.
Once again, and it's the day after July 4th. Like, it shouldn't
People probably have like a 5-day weekend.
be this busy. People probably have what?
5-day weekend.
Oh, yeah. Anyways. I took a couple days off of vlogging just so I could sort of be more present, and I feel like I just needed a break. But we are about to go to a lighthouse. I'm not sure what the name of it is. Yeah, we're gonna do that, and then tomorrow is Pageant of the Masters and also me and my boyfriend's 6-year anniversary, so that'll be fun. Yeah, just a lot of like chilling out and going to the beach. Let me show you a little OOTD. Alright, so this is the fit. You can't really see the whole thing, but it's just like linen pants with this tube top from Amazon, and then this, I don't know where I got it. I think I thrifted it. I'll come sit like directly over there when I'm done.
Okay.
Hello, it is currently July 10th. Today is actually me and Dragon's 6-year anniversary, which is, that's crazy. But we've just been doing a lot of like surfing and hanging out, so I haven't been recording much, but I'm about to go on a run along the beach and then go hang out on the sand after again. So yeah, let's do it. I just ran ran 1 mile, walked 0.5, and then ran another, and then walked about like 0.25 more. I was gonna try to walk all the way to 3, but the joint in my hip started hurting, so I figured I'd better stop. Yeah, I feel like I have pretty bad joints for my age, so I'm not sure how long, like long-term running will be for me, but it's good for now, especially like on vacation when you don't have easy access to a gym. But yeah, now I'm just gonna get changed to go lounge on the beach and watch Dre surf some, so that'll be fun. Oh, and the plans for the rest of the day are, we're just gonna go back, chill. Oh, we're gonna go by his favorite burrito place like in the world, Chronic Tacos, and then we're gonna go like chill, get ready, and then go to this art show called Pageant of The Masters. It's really like cool. I had never heard about it before Dragon and his family took me, but it's basically just a bunch of like live performers recreate like famous art pieces and stuff, and it's like they make it look like a painting, but it's real people. It's really cool, and it's in Laguna. Yeah, definitely recommend it, and I'll vlog what I can of that. So I'll see you later.
Okay, thank you.